Hey guys and girls, welcome to Boating for Beginners. Great to see you, great to have you on board, and thanks for checking us out. This is long awaited for Tony from Florida, nonetheless, good old Florida. He's been very patient and he asked me if I could show him how to come out of plane. Alright, so if you're a new boater and you're just checking this out, then hopefully you'll learn something from this video. This is for Tony and anybody else that wants to know how to come out of plane. Good day folks, good day. Yes, yes. Rock and roll! Alright, the important thing is about coming out of plane. Plane is when you're literally planing on top of the water. Half the boat, if not 3/4, is actually out of the water. Okay, so you're over the bow wave without getting too technical. You've lifted the bow with this little button. I've done a couple of 2 or 3 videos about the lever, etc., the accelerator lever, or the throttle, some people call it. So anyway, this is for Tony, how to get out of plane. But first of all, to get out of plane, you've got to get in plane. So this is how I get in plane, for anybody who wants to know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go whoosh, okay, whoom. The boat will go whoom, like that, okay. It'll just basically raise the bow being the front of the boat. It'll raise it because of the amount of force behind the boat pushing it forward. It'll raise it, and then literally I will just press this button probably about 3 or 4 times just to raise it a little bit more, and then the gravity and the weight of the boat will naturally bring it back down again, okay. And then we're in plane, and then I shall show you how to come out of plane correctly and how not to come out of plane incorrectly. Alright, so here we go, let's rock. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Let's make sure everything and everybody is in position. We've got no passengers today, but if you do have any passengers, like I said in the previous video, do ask them if they're afraid of any speed or anything like that, or any going fast, because some people just don't like that and they get a bit frightened, a bit nervous, and of course nobody wants to be nervous or frightened about on a boat trip. The idea of a boat trip is for everybody to enjoy it. Okay, now the other problem is that the minute I do come out of plane, I should like to say the first section will be very carefully, very gently, so everybody's relaxed. A bit very similar to gradually braking at traffic lights. So you're gradually braking in a car, in a vehicle, and you're gradually braking and nobody's being forced forward like this. If I was to stop it straight away, then everybody will be forced forward, because that's the motion is going forward, and people and things will fall over and possibly injure people. So this is how to get into plane, and I'll show you how to get out of plane safely and correctly without scaring any passengers and anything else, any obstacles falling all over everybody. Alright, so here we go. Ready? Bye. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, rock and roll. So I'm lifting the lever. Okay. That's it. Up to the yes. Okay, now I'm in plane, okay, and this is how I come out of plane. Very gently, very carefully, gradually bring the handset down, nice and slowly. There we are, and just take a look at that. There we are. So, okay, let me show you. Could come over this area here, all right, and flood the boat, all right. So there we are. So you don't want that, guys, you don't want that. Okay, that was the correct way of doing things. Very gradually, very slowly, in control, bringing the boat to a nice slow stop. Everybody's safe and everything's secure and safe. Okay, so now we're going to do it, which is what Tony from Florida, bless you, thanks very much for the question, Tony, very kind of you, mate, and thanks for watching all the videos. I'm really pleased that they've been help to you, buddy, so, and everybody else as well. So anyway, so then we're going to go back into plane, all right, and then I'm going to put from plane straight into neutral. I want you to watch, turn the camera to the engine and see the wake that comes forth. So okay guys, here we go, round 2. 1, 2, 3, let's rock. There we go. I'm trimming down, all the way down, the engine's right in the water to get a good grip, and then here we go. The alarm song comes to mind. Okay, bringing the engine down a bit. Now we're planing again, alright? Now what's the transom, what's the engine? That's it. Straight into neutral now. You see that, guys? Well, I will do this in slow motion so you can see that again. I'm going to do that again just so you can see we're going from planing to whoosh neutral. Alright, so here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's rock. Engine down, grip the water, full throttle, whoosh. That engine sounds beautiful. Every room, yeah. Okay, engine Linda, face the engine. Here we go. We're in plane, now we're in neutral. See that, guys? Okay. So Tony, hope that's been a big help to you, mate. As I say, the important thing is to do it very gradually, very slowly, in full control. Your passengers will be happy, far more enjoyable, and everything will be safe within the cabin as well. All right, so anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this has been help to all you boating beginners, and don't forget to check out all the other videos, and don't forget to place a like as well. It's always nice to see a like, if you've liked it, of course. So happy boating, and we'll catch you next time. Rock and roll, yeah.